Blogger. How do you make this image a clickable image? This is how you make it a clickable image. You go to the page for the image, the web page, you copy the link, go back to Blogger, you click on the image, click on this icon, insert or edit link, then you paste the link here. Click here, select all, and you paste it. Make sure you take this so whenever they click on the image, it doesn't load on the web page. It opens on a new tab. That is the best way so you can keep readers on your page while they go to the next page. So let's apply, and let's preview, update and preview. Let's go view it. Let's go to the image. So if you click this image, it's supposed to open. The link is supposed to open. So let's click. As you can see, the link opened on the new tab, not here. The new tab. That is the best way. So you can keep reader here and keep reader here. Every blogger wants the reader to be on their page.